To start, open the Facebook application to check if you have the option to add Digital Creator to your Facebook profile. Please note that this feature is currently accessible only to certain accounts. Begin by launching your Facebook application and logging into your account. After logging in, locate the three horizontal lines at the upper right corner of the screen. Scroll down the menu and select Help and Support. Choose Help Center from the options presented. In the Help Center page, you'll see a search box. Enter Digital Creator into the search field. Below the search field, you'll also see various suggested search queries. Click on Digital Creator. Now select Access Creator Support from Facebook. As you can see, this feature is currently accessible to a limited number of users. This means that you may not have the option to add Digital Creator to your Facebook profile at this time. In this case, you will need to wait until it becomes available and is permitted on your profile. And that's all there is to it. This tutorial provided guidance on how to add Digital Creator to your Facebook profile. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in addressing your questions. If it did, don't forget to subscribe if it did. Thank you for watching until the end.